No child must be left behind, as education is the fundamental right of every child, and definitely more so for a child with special needs. Special needs, as the term goes by, we look at the child's learning right from birth till the 6 years of age. Children during that time most often learn through a lot of senses. The absorption of learning from the environment happens either through the acoustic sense, the visual sense, the tactile sense, the gustatory sense, olfactory sense. So this is what frames their environment when they take up learning. I'm a special educator and I support children with specific learning disabilities, whether it is on the autism spectrum, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, or learning disability. So I not only support children, my work also tends to support teachers who try to create inclusive environments within the society. My center is the first of its kind in India, where we follow the Montessori pedagogy to support children with specific learning disabilities. Montessori pedagogy also supports children with all the senses that I just mentioned about. And we not only train children and support children, our work entails assisting teachers in Southeast Asia, be it countries like Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, and many other places, as well as teachers working within India also, to help create environments where children can understand learning in a better manner. Having a child with special needs is not something that any parent wishes for, but then they are the chosen ones because they definitely have a child that has to be nurtured for a very, very long time. Over a period of time, as these children grow up, the parents especially feel isolated, not only from families, but the community at large. It could be any child with any kind of specific challenges. The parents definitely are isolated over a long period of time. When we look at the society, we need to create inclusive environments where these parents don't feel that they are left behind. And inclusion has to be a way of life, whether it is in schools, whether it is in families, or whether it is the community at large.